Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Evan, and we're back with another vlog. Yeah, that's it. It's a vlog. So today's Lego review is going to be reviewing my own build, my Lego, my military base that I have. Now I'm gonna be showing you the mechs. Sorry, I did a battle and this guy. I had to rip them apart, so. This is my favorite one. He's honestly kind of like one of my favorite because he just looks the coolest. But yeah. Let me just quickly rebuild him. But yeah, we can also, I know you guys also really enjoy other things on my channel. I think you guys really like how I do a lot of my brain fart. You really like how I take my time with explaining everything. And also make sure to like that. My brain's not working today, is it? And make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Okay, so let's start off with the weapons. Now these weapons, so he has 3 swords. This was when I was a kid. I built this guy. 3 swords and 2 guns. 1 big gun and 1 small gun. He has a jetpack. And then we have the guy. Now his head's actually supposed to be like this. That doesn't make any sense. Because look at, then you're going to have it raised up. But if you build this Lego set, I like to build it like this. Because I think it looks cooler. Jetpack goes right here. And I don't even know his name. But yeah. This is him. And I'll also show you the pilot. Yes, these mech people have pilots. So I'll show you all the people. I'll show you all the guards first. I'll show you all the people last. And this, let me grab all the mech pilots. This is me. This is Cole from Ninjago. This is my friend Jason. And this is Thor. Yeah. And this is the second mech. He has a lot of guns on him. Now this is actually from an Iron Man set that I have. But I decided to use it for him. So yeah, and don't ask what's going on back there. You're gonna get to that mech. And it's got a little cockpit. I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty cool. Oh geez. And then the second mech is this Cole's mech. He has a blaster. Okay, let me just show you it real fast. So this mech is the biggest out of everything. It's got 2 guns, 2 swords, and then you enter the thing right there. And honestly, I think it's pretty cool. This guy looks like he's a living tank. Okay, guys, I need comments down below what we should name. And also, here's the last mech, Thor. His mech, Hammer. He goes right in here. But like I was saying, comment down below what we should name these guys. Because I need names. Well, Thor's mech is just going to be called Thor. Obviously. Now, there was pretty much a big destruction. Because they ended up getting attacked. A lot. And then this is the second mech. This is the biggest out of everything. It's got 2 guns, 2 swords, and then you enter the thing right there. And honestly, I think it's pretty cool. This But here is what I like to call a Zyforge cannon. Turns. It's pretty cool, in my opinion. I don't care what you guys say. And then this is my friend Jimmy. He's a sniper. He hits some trick shots, he just goes, hit. Just like you should hit that like button. I need a life. Okay, let's start off with Spider-Man. Pretty basic character, and Iron Man. And if you're wondering what his outfit is, this is Peter Parker. So yeah. And Iron Man. Yeah, and honestly, I may just keep the things right where they should be, because there was a big battle going on. And there we go. And then we're going to move on to the guards. This is guard 1. This is guard 2. So they each have different weapons. Guard 3. And guard 4. Then our main hero. Guard 5, that's actually the guard that's protecting the prison. Now this video is just going to be like over the whole military base. And then this is my friend Quinn. And then this is my friend Brigham. Guard 5. What were we at 5 for? I don't know. Guard whatever. He guards the front. And yeah. So yeah, that's all the mini figures. Let me show you the actual base. So you guys can see everything. I'll just give you a little rundown. Here's the work area. Here's like the main office. And this is like a meeting area. Here's the prison that I was talking about. That's the main shields. Right there, what that guy's working on. Then you got the metal factory. Right where that kid is buried. Then you got their garden. And then you got another cannon. And let's just set up all these characters. So, most of these characters I really love and really hate. I mean, you can't like all the characters. I mean, most of these guys are actually pretty bad. And yes, we will get on to the evil guys. Now, Jason, he's just going to go work on his car. Now, this is actually going to be his, this is what I, imagine him to look like. But you guys don't know what he looks like. You don't. But yeah, let me just set up. Oh shoot, I forgot there's a hole in this wall. Oh no. Okay, let me just... Intermission. Okay, then let's just set up. So, yeah, tell me what you like about these figures and tell me what you think should be changed in the military base down in the comments. because I think this military base is pretty cool. Tell me what you think that needs to just be changed just a tad bit, or if I just need to completely redo it. Well, I built this. Obviously I built this, and I could not get all the matching pieces. But yeah. So yeah, tell me what you like about this military base, and tell me what I need to fix. Because I'm always down to listen to you guys. Okay, let's move on to the bad guys. Now, this guy used to be the general of this military base, but guess what? He betrayed them. And I imagine him as a SpongeBob character, because look at his face. Yes, I am Arizarati. That Stitch, right? Am I doing the Stitch voice? Oh, yes. Why am I still doing Stitch? Frick! And this is actually used to be the mech pilot of this mech. So yeah. But then he got found out that he was transporting illegal things. You know what? We'll move on. So this is the guy that broke them out. I think I did a pretty good job. Tell me if I need to change anything on him. And then this is the little guy that's just so scared. You can tell by his face. Ah. And then for the last, he is the ultimate guy. He is just the bonker. Just. Whoops. He's got a lightsaber and a gun. And a very creepy face. Then this is the ultimate weapon. And you can also tell, his hands are on his shoulders, because look bro's got an entire, Sing Sing. And then he's got a battle axe. Jesus. That's a bad word. So yeah, tell me what I need to change, and I will write it down. Okay, everybody, and this is the little robot that helps, and also a guy. So yeah, comment down below what I should do for this military base, and I will listen. And also, what should we name this tree? Please tell me. I really want a name for that tree. Okay? See ya!